Hello and welcome back. I am going on a trip tomorrow. I'm flying to New York. I'll be there for 6 days, and so today I thought I would bring you along with me and show you everything that I'm going to be packing for this particular trip. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen in my stories clips that I've shared in the past of what I've brought on vacations or other travel, but today is a little bit different because I have a new backpack and it's significantly smaller than the bag I traditionally travel with. So if you want to see my attempt at even more lightweight minimalist packing, here it is. All right, first things first, let's hopefully quickly talk about bags. So my previous travel bag is this guy. This is a JanSport backpack that I've had for at least 10 years. It has 2 zip pockets on the front and a big large opening at the back. And I've gotten a ton of use out of this bag. However, now whenever I put something in the bag, it comes out sticky, and I've tried to clean it and that doesn't help. And so I think maybe the waterproof coating on the bag or something else is starting to break down. And so we've had a good long run, but it's time to get rid of this bag. So what I have found to replace it with is this guy from Target. It's a synthetic leather bag. We'll get to it being synthetic in a moment, but it is 17 liters as opposed to the 31-ish liters that I can approximate as the size, the volume of the previous bag. It has a zipper pocket on the front, a big compartment inside, it's just full of packing paper, and then it has 2 little pockets on the side, presumably for like water bottles or anything else that you need ready access to. So if you've watched my videos for any length of time, then you will know that there are a few things that I hate more than synthetic materials. But I have looked high and low. I've looked at Everlane, I've looked at Kuyana. Everlane does have nice backpacks, but the waterproof ones are made of nylon, which is also synthetic. And I haven't liked the design of any of their backpacks as much as I do this one. So if it works out, great. I can just sort of, I've already bit the bullet. I can just sort of live with it being synthetic, but again, hopefully it will be waterproof and hold up really nicely. Either way, this should serve as a good test to see if I can get by with just 17 liters of stuff. All right, now we are in my closet, and I think I start packing for trips where most people start packing for trips, which is here in my closet. So I have a 40-item wardrobe, so this is all of my clothing. My sweaters are in a box up there, and my outerwear is in the front closet, but other than those 2 categories, this is all of my clothing. So in advance, I already decided that since I'm going for 6 days, I'm going to bring 4 tops, including a shirt that I will wear traveling to and from the location, and I'm going to bring a black pair of pants and a pair of dark wash denim. Now, I'm going to New York. It might be warm, but I'm not going to be like doing manual labor outside, and so I think I should be fine wearing these shirts without laundering them in between, but if I really need to, then I can always give one of these items to the hotel and have them clean it. I know that it's usually pretty expensive to have the hotel do laundry, but in a pinch, if it needs to be done, then I do have a way of re-washing and re-wearing these items if need be. So this is everything that I'm going to pack clothes-wise. Before I start chucking things into the bag, I thought I would give you an overview of what will be going into it. So this is all of the clothes that you saw just a moment ago, folded up, minus the things that I'm going to be wearing on the plane. I also have 6 pairs of underwear underneath that pile of clothes. Here I have 6 pairs of socks. We also have my bag of toiletries, the bag that my camera is going to go in once I'm done using it, my phone charger, a pair of headphones, a notebook, and my 13-inch laptop and charger. I also, for good measure, am bringing my sunglasses, my purse, and my watch, but I'm going to wear those on the plane as well. Speaking of things I'm going to be wearing on the plane, this is what I'm going to be wearing on the plane. So this is the pair of dark denim jeans that you saw a moment ago, as well as the black tank top, and I'm also going to bring my camel blazer because planes can be very cold. So let's see if all of this stuff fits into the backpack. Well, that was almost disappointingly easy. Everything fit in the bag, there was room to spare, and so I shoved in my purse just to illustrate how much extra room there was. Now, I should say that Another force that was sort of compelling me to get a smaller 17-liter bag, apart from my previous 31-liter JanSport bag actually disintegrating, is that I recently got back from a trip to Seattle, and on that trip, or after that trip, I realized that I definitely overpacked. And so I hope that in the future, by having a small 17-liter bag, that will sort of help to provide like a natural barrier to keep me from overpacking in the future. And so far, I think it's been a success. All right, that was really quick and easy, and now I'm done packing and I can go off and do whatever I want with the rest of my day. So I hope you've enjoyed this little glimpse into my packing strategies and the mechanisms that I'm trying to put in place to keep me from overpacking in the future. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Just kidding. If you live in the UK and you have recommendations for what I should do or see in the Cotswolds area, please let me know. My husband and I are planning a trip for later this year, and I would love to hear your recommendations. So if there are cute towns or attractions that you think I should check out while I'm in that area, please let me know. I would love to hear your recommendations. Thanks.